Hey, how are you? Very good morning, good to see you. How are you? Good to see you. Hey, look at you, open your eyes. Very happy. Jerry, all set? Fantastic, Jerry. Take care, safe trip back.
Thank you.
Peter, you guys can travel in the same car actually. Daddy, are we seeing something?
Yeah. See him, handsome guy.
And you?
I'm seeing.
Excellent. Carmen, how are you? Nice to see you. How are we doing? Yeah, can you see a little bit?
Yes.
Yeah. She had an appointment today, Carmen? Yes. Poster? Perfect.
Let's see. Oh, he's getting a present.
Can I see it?
Can I see it?
The important part is she can see it.
Yes.
Look at that.
That's something no one has told me yet.
No, they don't want
Carmen, thank you so much. What an honor. I don't know if I can go with that name, but this is, what have you written here? In an honor. Albert, absolute pleasure. Absolute pleasure.
A visionary. Nice use of words.
What a beautiful painting.
It's just a little bit wet here, so be careful. Just
Okay,
let it dry.
we let it dry.
Hi, my name is Carmen Blau. I moved here to Jacksonville with my husband 2 years ago after traveling all over the world. And I want to state that my vision was poor since I was a baby. And look at me now, I have Vision 2020, and I have to say that this is a miracle. I came here to Dr.Gulani after I saw a feature in Jacksonville magazine about him, and by coincidence after a couple of days I saw him on TV. And then I asked myself if is it possible to get an opinion from him about my vision. And I started to Google him, to check him online and to see other patients' references. And I started to wonder myself, is he for real? This seems to be too good to be true. So I just gave it a try, and I came here and I found a wonderful place. The front desk people were absolutely fabulous, very friendly, very cheerful. It didn't feel like you are in a place where, you know, it's like a medical facility. So it was more like a family reunion. Seeing patients happily getting out of the door and the doctor hugging them and shaking their hands and patting on their shoulders, I was very, very surprised. But again, I was thinking, oh, maybe this is not for real. But I had a feeling that this might be the answer to my prayers, that one day I could have good vision. And I felt that I could trust Dr. Gulani. I cannot say why, but he gave me this feeling that he could be trusted. So after a couple of meetings with him, he just said that he would do his best with no promises, but I should give it a try. And I did that, and that was one of the best decisions of my life. Why? Because from almost being, you know, with poor vision, I can see now without my glasses. I can read, I can see a distance, I will be a better driver, and I can say I will be a better person. No more headaches, no more anxiety, no more hiding from people. And being with a good vision means that you can be a better citizen. And I have to say that there are no words in this world to thank Dr. Gulani. He is an amazing surgeon. He has a vision for our surgery that no surgeon in this world has. And he's a visionary. He's like Nikola Tesla. You know, he's like coming from the future. He's too good surgeon for this time. His techniques, his instruments, his way of approaching the patient, he is far beyond this century. And I hope that he will be a beacon of light in eye surgery, and many other surgeons will follow him and his procedures. And also I can say that my favorite character in the world is James Bond. So after meeting him, I thought, oh my God, he's like James Bond. He is daring, you know, and he likes to challenge, to take challenges and go beyond whatever it is to fix people's vision. He has the courage to beat the odds. He has the guts to fight for his patients and give them comfort and give them everything they need to have a better vision. He's for the patient. He's not for the money or for being famous. He just wants the patient to have a good vision. And he just gave me the best gift I could ever received, my sight, a good vision, and also a hope for the future, that I can do a lot of things that I couldn't have done before. And as many doctors told me that it was impossible for a surgery, that I was not a candidate for anything, even for a simple surgery, for LASIK, Dr. Gulani proved that they were all wrong, that if you really want, you can help the patient. Thank you, Dr. Gulani, for your vision, for your compassion, and for the wonderful surgery bedside manners, and for being so kind and so friendly. And also, I would like to thank everybody in his office for the way they treat the patients. Thank you.